बगी राइड। आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं 3 बजे। सो सुपर एक्साइटेड।
And we will begin loading. That is a 130 bus tour here at the Amish.
Hi friends, my name is Shreya. Welcome to my channel, Smiling Shreya. Finally, we are going to Amish village. We had a plan for a long. There was a weather forecast, बारिश होने वाला था, but thank God it is bright and sunny now. So we are going. Super excited. কেন এত জোরে চালাচ্ছিস?
अरे यार आई डिडंट नोटिस द कॉप
প্লিজ গো স্লো।
যাই হোক ফরগেট অ্যাবাউট কপ চারদিকের গ্রিনটা এনজয় কর
सीरियसली समर में चारों तरफ ग्रीन एंड ग्रीन। आई लव इट। ये फाइनली वी रीच्ड। वेलकम टू द विलेज। The Amish village is basically dedicated to bringing together elements of the Amish community. Farmhouse, barn, schoolhouse and blacksmith shop included, so that we can feel the true taste of the Amish way of life.
When the new married couple is ready to receive their gifts, they'll travel around to all their friends and family and collect them from them.
What happened to her eyes?
So she had her eye surgery last spring.
Uh-huh.
That was cancer different.
Oh.
When she was young and scouted anymore. And it was causing hormonal
bus ride from here. See the bus. Amish people came to USA a long time ago during 18th century. Today we are here at Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. This is the oldest Amish settlement. Amish people are known for traveling by horse and buggy. Children in their formal education at 8th grade. They don't believe in science. They don't even use modern gadgets. Also, they do not use electricity. They use power sources such as propane, kerosene, or natural gas. Amish people earn through farming, at-home shop, and other businesses. To know more about them, visit the Amish village. You can book the ticket online for package tours. I'll mention the link in the description box. In this marketplace, you can get Amish made stuffs, different sauces, chocolates, pies, gift items, and many more.
We have done with our bus tour and waiting for the buggy ride.